Bill Goudy checking in. I'm going to clean some cast iron. The other day I blackened some catfish, and boy, oh boy, did it make a mess out of that Griswold pan. I just soaked it with a little fresh, cool, fresh water, and then scraped it down with my, I don't know, it's a stainless steel Brillo pad. I think they call them rosebuds. Used to get them through, what the heck was that? It was a mail order thing years ago. And now you can buy them everywhere now. But what the heck was that? Amway. It was Amway. That's got me started on these things, and I really do like them. They work good. This is some Lodge oil that Calvin gave me. And I spray that in that pan, and then I take a paper towel and I wipe the whole pan, bottom side too, just because I'd take all the oils out of it doing that blackened fish. Nature's non-stick pan. That is so nice. Cleans up so good. And today I'm going to do a cast iron pan that I had bacon and eggs in this morning. Check this out. There's my mess, and this is my rosebud. I think that's what they called them. It's just a stainless steel scouring pad is what it is. It works really good for cleaning these pans. But what I'll do is I'll run, this is just fresh cool water coming in, and then I'll just take this and scrape that. But when I get done with this, you'll just see how nice that comes out. And then I'll just dry that out with a paper towel. And since I use them every day, I don't have to do anything more. But I do have oil. If I'm going to have them sit for a while, I'll oil them up. Look at that. I mean, that's just how simple that is. So you saw what that looked like originally, and now look at that. And sometimes I put that on the burner and let it dry. That way, if there's a lot of water, but that's all there is to it. Good as new. It's ready for my next cooking adventure. So I cooked hamburger in here last night. Yeah, nature's non-stick cookware. That's for sure. It's just how simple it is. Like magic. Voila! Better than new. Looks good. That's just how easy it is.